Alright, we got her all tore down. Got a hole in the back here. The pan rail is gone. Turn this over. See that? That's a pretty sad state of affairs for a, for a rod. The mains don't look too healthy either. I'm not entirely sure what gave up on this motor first. I know the rod bolts let go. This thing's got more holes than a Michael Bay film. Sad. That right there's the stuff of broken dreams. That used to be a rod. That one kind of stayed together. Kinda. I got a couple of rod bolts. Threads came clean off of them. One oval shaped nut. I'm sure that's going to hold a lot. One snapped and the other one's probably still on the highway somewhere. Yeah. I found this on the air compressor for the air conditioning. Pretty sure it's not supposed to be there. That sucked. There went a $2,000 experiment. Somehow, it didn't destroy the head. Got a couple of little boogers there, but I can fix it. Fun stuff.